Okay, so here's what we have for today. I was able to update the end effector to have joints that are more like the end product, having one bone for tilt and the other one for pan, uh, and it still keeps track of the target like it did before. Um, and the origin of the target is slightly offset from before, so this is where it was before, and then now it's down here. That may not be as pronounced of a difference with the physical model. Uh, Time will tell once that comes in. And another update is for the roll. So at times we'll need to rotate the arm around for the shot. Say if we're going from down low to above the product, this might be a nice touch. Uh, and so we now have that functionality. It is still buggy, but that will be fixed here soon.